Hello and welcome to the bi-weekly update. The next 2 weeks are under the influence of the new moon. On November 23rd, the sun and the moon are in Sagittarius, which points toward the planet Jupiter, the giant gas planet of our solar system, which incidentally becomes direct on November 23rd. So a huge emphasis on Jupiter with a change of pace. And if we look at the meaning of Jupiter retrograde, it has to do very often with some kind of a rebellion against authority that is brought up to the surface, as Jupiter symbolizes authority. So if you look at the past 4 months, what has come up for you? It can be that you have been confronted to your difficulty to be in a position of authority yourself, or maybe you have problem with authority figure. And when Jupiter becomes direct, it is a flood of beneficial energy, good luck, maybe a new job, prosperity and abundance that flows in your direction. So maybe if you understood your lesson about authority, there is more prosperity. But as some people would say, with Jupiter, whether you understand it or not, you receive a gift. So I wish you a wonderful 2 weeks. Au revoir. Bye-bye.